Hello friends, welcome back to Odoo Hub. In the previous tutorial, we learned how to create a new app from scratch in Odoo 19. We created the app directory, added the init and manifest files, and also understood some important manifest parameters. Now in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to add an icon to our custom app. First, open your custom app folder that we created in the previous video. Inside your app directory, create a new folder called static. Now inside the static folder, create another folder named description. This description folder is used to store the app icon and other app related images. Inside the description folder, add your app icon image and name it icon.png. The image name must be icon.png. Restart your Odoo server. After restarting, go to Odoo, enable developer mode and click on update app list. Once the app list is updated, refresh the page. You can now see your custom app with its icon displayed properly. That's it for today's tutorial. In the next video, we are continue learning more about Odoo 19 development. Thanks for watching.